श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। अनंत श्री विभूषित शिवयति महाशाक्तकुलाधीश्वर शाक्तानंद परमहंस परम पूज्य श्री 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 भैरवानंद महास्वामिने नमः। श्रीमात्रे नमः। Hi, this is Sarvana Kumar and we shall know about Devi Kavacha Stotra in today's talk. Devi Kavacha Stotra. Om Namaschandikayai. Kavacha means armor. Enemies, diseases, and various other evil influences keep us, our body, mind, and soul away from the main focus. In order to remove these distractions and keep us victorious, one needs to wear a strong armor that not only protects body but also mind and soul, Karana Sarira. Kavacha Stotra is taken from Varaha Purana and composed by Brahma, and this is set in Anushtup Chandas. Qualities of Anushtup Chandas we shall discuss when we will come to Nyasa part of Devi Mahatmya. This is a conversation between Brahma and Markandeya when Markandeya Muni asks the former to share a tool that which gives complete protection and that which is a secret and not yet disclosed to anyone. Brahma speaks, and the concept of Navadurga or 9 forms of Durga are revealed at the beginning of this stotra. These 9 forms are Sailaputri, Brahmacharini, Chandraghanta, Koshmanda, Skandamata, Katyayini, Kalaratri, Mahagauri, and Siddhida. These 9 Devis form the bija or the causal reason for this stotra. One who remembers these 9 names of mothers will not suffer and would eventually get free from all fears and sorrows. Their main work is to protect from multiple types of fears, enemies, and sorrows. Stotra then proceeds to identify various places in the body from head to toe and for each corresponding body part. A particular Devi form is mentioned and how that specific body part is protected. Not limiting to physical body alone, subtle and causal body of the sadhaka or the reader are also protected. There is no part in any of the 3 bodies of the reader and of their families which are left unprotected, making the reader wholesomely strong. Those who read daily this kavacha during dawn, noon, and dusk with devotion would be able to realize the goddess in person. They would live long without getting defeated in all the 3 worlds and with no untimely death in their family. Effects of poisons, natural and artificial, with temporary and permanent effects, would be destroyed. All the black magic done in this world and the bad or evil spirits which travel on the earth, sky, and in seas will be destroyed. Gurus, seers, and rishis have held this stotra with very high esteem and have prescribed this stotra whenever the befitting seeker approached them for protection. Individually, this stotra is a very potent and powerful in providing protection from enemies, diseases, and all those aspects that can make one deviate from their focus on the Brahman. From a Sri Vidya aspect, Sri Chakra has got 43 triangles, out of which there are 24 sandhis, 28 marmasthanas. Sri Chakra Nyasa gives us the process of assuming Sri Chakra in the body of a sadhaka. Stotra mentions us exactly the same body parts, hinting the connection with Sri Chakra, human body, and Kavacha Stotra, be it energizing a body part through Nyasa or worshipping a specific Devi at the specific body part through Kavacha. The process of taking a Mantra Sarira or a Vajra Sarira remains the same. One major school of worship in Sakteya specifically worship deities or Devi Devatas in these 28 marmas and 24 sandhis. Kavacha Stotra gives us clues to know more in this regard. Incidentally, Srimad Bhagavad Gita in its chapter 2 has got a verse Achedyoyam Abhedyoyam Akledyo Asosyam Evacha. Many learned also believe the linkage between the Abhedya Devi, who is explained in Devi Kavacha, with the Abhedya, that which cannot be divided, as a Shakti which is explained in Gita. There are Tantric and Shakta based analysis of Srimad Bhagavad Gita clearly mentions various Shakti forms as told by Sri Krishna to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita. From a Vedic perspective, Stotra highlights protection offered from the seed to full life form, and the pattern is the same as how a jiva is born from the cosmic evolution process and what constitutes the physical, mental, and causal bodies of a jiva as told to us through various texts such as the Suktas from Rigveda and through Upanishads, Puranas. From Panchabhutas or five elements to five Tanmatras or the five senses to five Karmendriya and five Jnanendriya to Manas, Buddhi, Chitta and Ahankara, totaling to 24 Tattvas. Karma theory and cosmic evolution theory of Jiva is being reinforced in this stotra. Other aspects of this stotra also include worship and practice of Navadurga, which is a part of Durga Patala or Durga worshipping domain. Devi Mahatmya introduces many such deities and their worship is mentioned in other parts of Puranas and Agamas. Kavacha mentions in total 96 Shakti deities in total, whose aim is only to protect and bless for the necessary and seeking reader. Sri Matre Namaha.